Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for in-depth reviews, real-world insights, and brutally honest evaluations of the latest tech. Today, we're diving into what might just be the best battery pack integrated VR headset strap available right now. The all-in-one audio head strap for Meta Quest 3. If you're someone who's tired of switching out battery packs mid-session or struggling with uncomfortable straps during intense gameplay or fitness routines, this might be your perfect upgrade. Let's start with the core of what makes this product stand out: true integration. Unlike many third-party accessories that feel like afterthoughts, this strap is designed from the ground up with purpose. It combines three essential enhancements in one single design: comfort, immersive audio, and extended battery life. No clutter, no dangling wires, no awkward attachments, just one seamless experience. Visually, it doesn't disappoint either. The build is sleek and robust, clearly made with quality in mind. When you pick it up, the premium materials are immediately noticeable. The strap feels secure, with an even weight distribution that eliminates the pressure points you often get with the standard head strap. Whether you're ducking, jumping, or dodging in Beat Saber or pushing through a high-intensity boxing session, it stays in place and stays comfortable. But now let's talk about the audio, because this is not just a strap. It's an audio solution. Built-in over-ear speakers are perfectly positioned to deliver spatial sound without the need for external headphones. You get immersive 3D audio that follows your head movement, creating a far more realistic sound field than you'd expect at this price point. And since it's already integrated, there's no setup needed. Just plug and play. It extends your playtime significantly, over 2 to 3 additional hours depending on usage. The battery is cleverly built into the back of the strap, acting as a counterweight to balance the front-heavy Meta Quest 3. Less facial pressure, longer sessions, and no annoying pop-up that tells you your headset is dying mid-fight or while exploring an open world. Charging is as simple as USB-C pass-through, and the battery status is easy to monitor with discrete indicator lights. Installation is quick and painless. You simply detach your default strap, snap this one into place, connect the audio and charging port, and you're ready to dive back into your virtual world. It's compatible with most head sizes and easily adjustable via the rear dial, a small but highly appreciated design feature for quick changes between users. And here's something you'll love if you're active in VR fitness. The strap's material is sweat-resistant and easy to clean, making it ideal for high-intensity workouts. No slipping, no sticking, and no need to constantly readjust. If you're a hardcore gamer spending hours in VR, someone who uses their headset for workouts, or even just a casual explorer who values comfort and convenience, this accessory transforms your experience. It takes Meta Quest 3 to the next level with a premium feel that matches its performance. In conclusion, the all-in-one audio head strap is more than just an accessory, it's a full-blown upgrade. With extended battery life, immersive sound, and top-tier comfort, it earns its title as the best battery pack integrated VR headset strap on the market today. It's rare to find an accessory that enhances every core element of a device, but this one does it, and it does it well. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what product you want us to cover next. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, and enjoy your VR adventures like never before.